Welcome to chapter 3, oh my God, of me putting in a hillbilly redneck swimming pool. If chapter 1 was about clearing the property, if chapter 2 was about digging the hole, I wanted this one to be about framing and decking. Let's just go for framing. We need to add $77 to the total. One 20 by 20 paver. And this is where, that's what the pump will be. Oops, that's what the pump will be located on. So the access point has been closed up. I haven't done the other side. In fact, it's gonna miraculously happen during this video because I can't take this 8 minutes and make it about that good. So off of the master door, this is the height. Mind you, there's a deck, but this is the height. Where are we? Woof, perfect. You know, in some ways, I've dug the hole too deep. What's happening? What's happening? You want to come outside? I have to picture frame all of this attached to the fence. That's going to allow me to level out this space, and maybe I'm hallucinating, but I'm sure that if I have to lift corners of the pool up, proper pea pebble and sand will then fall down and adjust accordingly, right? And then with water runoff erosion, I really do believe that it's going to self-level. You know, I'm a Home Depot guy. Unapologetically, shamelessly, I'm a Home Depot guy. But Lowe's, looks like they have a better selection of AstroTurf artificial grass. So sometime today or this week, I need to go look at it. But for right now, ooh, the money meter is gonna go up. The money meter, let's see what we're adding to it. It is $100 day here at Home Depot. Posts are $10 each.
Shopping at the Home Depot.
You're keeping score, you gotta add that. Add it up. Look at that. That's some Final Destination shit right there. Do you know my entire house, everything I did, and yard, came in this Jeep? So, this isn't new. You know, with every good reason, when I take on a project like this, you know I stop going to the gym. There's only so much room in my life for something physical or something extra. This is it, right? Yeah. And also, I can't get up early as I do because I have an active daydreaming mind. I think about this project at night before I go to bed till exhaustion. As a slab, this is poured so it drains. But from this point on, I have to pick this up as level. Established law, right? So I'm gonna bring that up, that I know that it's even. And let's set this temp. So now I'll level. Okay, so look. Perfect. So do it to the other side. Post, I'm just framing it out. Okay. It is looking like something. All right, let's level this one. Gave up trying to stay clean. Okay, I'm feeling good. I'm just gonna keep working. It's like a puzzle. It's exactly like a puzzle. In other words, you know what the finished product is, you don't really know how to get there except for you have to figure it out and do it. You have to figure it out and do it. This is disappointing. Oh my God, you're gonna cut yourself on this stuff. You know, at Sam's Club, they have one. It's $109 a bolt. Sadly, I think I need 2 bolts. I think this is $30. This is going to be a little more challenging because I'm decking a circle. And really all I'm going to do is I'm going to mark it underneath. Today's goal is to not lose my marker. Well, not at the beginning, but I knew early on about this vlog, how much work was in front of me and how much money was in front of me, even though I just said it's framing, although I did say it was framing and decking. No. Framing has exhausted me and has taken up the entire 8 minutes of this vlog. The surprise was, it's a circle. I octagoned it. Well, I had to schmuctagoned it one more time to make it a circle because these circular fragmented boards needed something to bite onto. The back is going to be snake plants. That's a story in itself. I'm going to save you. But I want to conceal the pump. You don't know how I've gone down every scenario. This is best. It needs to be accessible. It needs to breathe. Just a preview to come, a foreshadow and indication of while working. Woo, it's full sun here. That's good. Yeah, I think I'm underestimating how difficult it is going to cut that out, but I will figure that out. But yeah, till next week. It takes 11 10-foot boards. These are going to be the pieces that round about. The back piece is all going to be plants. That AstroTurf, 10 more bags of pebble. Oh, meatball. Can you step out? There you go. Oh, meatball. If this one was about foundation and framing, very important. If this one was about foundation and framing, the next one will be finishes. Finishes is when it gets exciting, and by exciting I mean pretty. I love cherry picking ideas out of my head. In fact, I get nervous. When it plays ping pong for that long, I'm like, oh crap, here you go. I guess this is happening. What do you think? 2 more videos. 2 more videos, and then meatball. It's always that, huh?